let us configure how to configure multiple VLAN in AdoPiSoft Community Edition. First, let's create the VLAN. Let's create 5 VLAN first. The first default VLAN 22 is belong to the VRLAN or the bridge. And then let's create another VLAN 23 to 25. Next, let's create a network for every VLAN. Anyway, my second LAN is ESP2 LAN. I remove it from the VRLAN and create a new network. So let's create another VLAN, another network for our next VLAN 23. VLAN 24 and VLAN 25. Save and apply. Now, the next thing that we have to do is to enable the captive portal for every created network. Under portal settings, let's enable the captive portal for every VLAN. Enabling captive portal for every VLAN. This is for VLAN 7 for my PPOA client. This is VLAN 7. I need to enable that. Yes, okay na. And then let's save settings. Then next, let's configure the individual speed using Cake SQM. VLAN 23, 10 Mbps. VLAN 24, 10 Mbps. VLAN 25, 10. And then apply it. Yeah. Now we have created the VLAN 23 to 25 network. We've created the VLAN 23 to 25 network. Then that's all. How to create multiple VLAN. This is important in separating sub window for auto select coin slot.